I bought them with the mentality of trying, and their effects exceeded my expectations. Very tight, no gaps. I have tried using it for a while and it has no problems. I like this situation and hope it can continue this way. Easily clamped on the connector, the furniture is a fixed part. I am satisfied with this situation. These clips are great to keep our furniture together and not sliding around when you sit down. They do move slightly but not drastically. Sturdy structure, easy to click, it provides a good connection. Love these. Hope it can always provide protection. Click link in description for more reviews.